Meaning of Indian red.
Indian red.
Indian red.
Indian red.
Indian red. Indian red is a deep reddish-brown hue that is often associated with the color of iron oxide pigments that were traditionally sourced in India. The name Indian red was originally coined during the colonial era, when these pigments were imported from India to Europe. Today, the term may also refer to similar shades of red-brown found in natural materials like clay and rock formations. Overall, Indian red is a color with a rich history and cultural significance, and it continues to be used in art, fashion, and design around the world.